Hi, my name is Tanya and welcome to the third video in the Trading for Teens series. Today we'll be looking at some free trading resources that you can use to find information on stocks. So the question is, where can I find information on stocks? The software that I've been using to show you stock charts so far has been Telechart, which is a paid software, but today we're going to be looking at some free websites which you can use to find the same type of information. These are 3 sites that you can use to find information on stocks. The first site that you can use to find some free stock information is FinWiz. So here you can see the stock chart for Apple. If we want to search up a different stock, we can come over here and we can search a different chart and it will show us all the different charts. Another site you can use is stockcharts.com. So here again we have the stock chart for Apple. We can search up a different stock chart. So here we have the chart for Google. So the last website that I have here is tradingview.com, which you can use to look at the stock charts. We can actually go over here and look at a candlestick chart. It's right here, and you can So that was just a quick video on some of the resources you can use to find information on stocks. Thank you and have a great day.